I just went to the gas station to grab some banquets. I'm listening to Hank. And I'm like, mother. If you listen to the song, I've Got Rights, dude, the first sentence proves to you that America used to have one loyal-ass brotherhood. How? He bought a Magnum 44 from a paint store. And if you listen to the rest of the song, he bought it for Southern justice. Shoo! I'm always going to do a little bit of music forever. But after I retire from music, I'm not going to say I'm going to try. I'm going to tell you I'm going to be in some kind of government position for the state of Tennessee. What's the meaning behind the clocks on the tree at Ghost Ranch? It's an art piece I come up with. It pretty much means even when technology clocks don't tick and don't show that time is actually passing, a tree will show you that time is passing, even if the clocks on it don't work no more. What do you think of Zach Top? I've actually been listening to Zach Top lately. He sounds like he belongs in a different generation. His voice, his lyricism, the songs he picks, all that. I think it's pretty good. I know for a fact we will be. What's something you look for in a woman? Gotta be traditional. Well, obviously I don't date no more, but I suggest any young fellers out there dating, get you a chick that don't give a f*** about the internet, or like looking cool, or taking selfies, or going downtown all the time to shake their ass. Get one that knows how to cook, likes cooking, and likes taking care of kids, and hanging out, and relaxing. Traditional wives matter. When are we getting the new album? As soon as Kalani's done with it. He should be getting soon to being done with it. He's been real busy lately, but it's on the way. Hell, pop a comment, ask him. I'll text him too. Not a question, just wanted to say I'm proud of you, Bubba, for staying true to who you are. Hey, I appreciate that. I couldn't have done it without y'all, man. You know that. What are we going to do now that the invasion is showing its colors more now? Brother, we're Americans. You know what we're going to do. We're going to do what we have to do. And our gut's going to tell us when we have to do it. Are you in the home of your dreams now? My family is the home of my dreams. Whether I'm in a tent, Section 8 housing, or a mansion, don't matter. Home to me is what you feel like. What the people around you make you feel like. The thing y'all build to live in is just a building. Was everything you've been through worth it? Of course. Without a shadow of a doubt. Wouldn't do anything different. I'd do it all over again the same exact way. You know why? Because when you're born, the Creator sends you here. He don't just send you here to live, breathe, eat. He sends you here on a mission. You have a purpose to do something. And He chooses what that is, and you get here, and you deal with it, because you're supposed to. Favorite AR-15 brand? Aero Precision. How have you been? You're under a lot of stress right now. I'm not under no stress. Who told you that? I mean, I understand there's probably people trying to make me stressed out, but good luck with that. You believe we landed on the moon? I don't know. I don't know if we did or not. I know some people say definitely no or definitely yes. I'm saying I definitely don't know. I can't say that we have. Have you ever considered selling your catalog? Not really. I mean, I've turned down 2 offers. The last one was $150 million. So I'm really not that interested. Now, do I inquire to find out what it's worth the next year and the next year and the next year to keep tabs on it? Absolutely. Would you ever run for mayor? Yeah. Their list of stuff they have to do in a town is right up my alley. I would love that, and I'd be really good at it. As a reactor/interviewer, should I take sides or should I stay unbiased? Man, f*** sides. F*** unbiased. If you want to be biased, be biased. Be who you want to be, man. What everybody else thinks. How else are you going to find the right friends you're supposed to be around? No, f*** that. Don't cater to none of these. Say what you want to. I do. It's worked out perfect. Even though everybody's like, it ain't perfect. It ain't. You're stressed. Everything's horrible. Fake news. That's funny. You call me Papa Church. That's what I call my grandpa. That's funny. Not a question, but looking forward till the day they stop trying to break you. I'm still looking at him like, hey, dumb. Do you not realize this ain't breakable? It's everything proof. They're still sitting there on the other side, licking the window. Like, all right, whatever. What keeps you going and how do you stay motivated? Been feeling depressed, to be honest. Conditioning. I went through a lot of those times like that, like you're saying. You feel depressed right now and you're wondering how to stay motivated. I used to do that. And then I reached a point of, it's kind of like getting merit badges in Boy Scouts or patches in a motorcycle group. Once you've dealt with so many storms, the storms start to feel like really nice summer rains, even though it's still People have got to see people like us prevail to show them it's possible. If we all stand on folding and eventually give up, everybody gives up because everybody ain't got nobody to look up to. What's your outlook on the Tupac murder trial? I ain't really been watching it, but in that kind of situation, it's not about who was the shooter and killed him. It's who paid the shooter to kill him. You can pay any crackhead some money to go do something crazy. The crackhead's not important. It's the guy who paid the crackhead. What's the best way to get through a breakup after a girl used you for money? If she used you for money, you shouldn't be worrying about her anyway. What's she gonna do? Come back and use you for more money? Count your losses, cut it off, and keep trucking. Whatever she was doing in the future, when you're looking for a chick, make sure she has none of those things that would have. What's your opinion on BB or Israel? I ain't really got one. I ain't worried about BB or Israel. I'm just worried about where we live. Everywhere else can deal with it themselves, man. If they're finna find out, they're gonna have to deal with it themselves. You heard what Marco Rubio said? For real. Will you drop your album the same time Adam does to show him who the boss is? He knows who the boss is. Everybody does. I could delete all my albums and never put that one out again. I'm still boss. I hope I get the chance to vote for you for president one day. Damn, mayor's one thing, but damn president. Whew. How do you keep going? I put a ton of time and money into an old truck and still have nothing. Don't put money in stuff that ain't giving you nothing back. Like I said, cut your losses and start on a different truck that costs less money. You'll get more done. You'll be inspired by it. You'll feel better. Don't dump money in junk. Are you a believer in the Q theory? Sounds like you are awake like me. I'm not sure what Q is. I just grew up in like a rural area, so I just look at it for what it is. It's literally that simple. I guess. I don't know, man. I just see everything regular. That's why when I'm like, I don't know if that person's real. And people's like, what? What do you mean? It's like, if I've never met him or seen him, then no, I don't know. Some people think it's crazy. That's people I'm like, okay, stay away from that guy. That's my buddy.
And instead of going to the theater and spending $30,
so I be watching Sean Hannity.
just $20, you get 2 free
Bro,
tickets.
little dogs are awesome. Your teeth are getting sharp, dog. Get my puppy.
Think about